Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this lab, we're going to simulate a real-world security scenario where we detect and investigate suspicious activity using Microsoft Sentinel and Microsoft Defender. Since Microsoft has moved the incident experience into the Defender portal, so we'll be using both platforms. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to enable logs. So from Defender portal, you're going to go to Microsoft Sentinel, configuration, data connectors, and we're going to enable sign-in logs. So from here, select Entra ID, open connector page, and scroll down. So you want to enable sign-in logs and audit logs. So once you enable both of these, apply the changes. So the reason that you enable these after you lab is because you don't want to accumulate charges, because the more every time you log in and stuff, it's going to generate a log. So once we enable them, we're going to generate some activities. So now we're going to simulate an attack by performing multiple failed login attempts using a test account. So let's go over that. All right. As you can see here, I have my test account here. I'm going to create a couple failed login attempts. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we tried a couple failed login attempts, and we're going to look at those in our sign-in logs. So let's go check that out. Now, to verify our rules, we're going to our Azure Portal, and then select Sentinel, select your workspace, and then go to Analytics. So now when you get to here, it's going to send you back to Defender Portal. So from here, we should be able to see our rules that were created. So brute force login detection is on. Multiple failed login attempts is enabled. So from Defender Portal, we're gonna go investigate. So from here, you're gonna go up to investigation and response, incident and alert, and then incident. So as you can see here, we have multiple failed login attempts. We're gonna hit this drop down. So let's select either one of these. So as you can see here, we have multiple failed login attempts from this specific IP address, and attempts hit 5 times. So which means that our multiple failed login attempts rule is working. So here, let's look at a second one here. Let's go back to incident. So here's another one. We can see that this one generates 6 times. We can see the IP and how many times it was generated, and a couple more details here. All right, now we can see that our detection is actually working, as Microsoft Sentinel has identified multiple failed login attempts and create an incident for us to investigate. So this alert shows us repeated failed login attempts from the same IP address, which sometimes could be a common indicator for a brute force attack. And in this case, we have multiple failed login attempts coming from the same IP. So in the real world scenario, this could indicate that someone is trying to guess the credentials. As a security analyst, this is something that we definitely want to investigate further. So this alert was triggered by the analytics rule we created earlier, which automatically detects failed login attempts. So instead of manually monitoring logs, Sentinel is automatically detecting suspicious behavior, and then it's creating a log for us to investigate. So after the lab, one thing to remember is to make sure you turn off you sign in and audit log so you don't generate Azure charges. So that's pretty much it for today. So if you want to see more Azure Security Labs like this, check out our playlist on the screen as we're building a real world security scenario step by step. So if you guys find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.